Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials. Update your Quest 2, disable Oculus Link, and decide whether you'll run the VPN on a PC or on your router. This affects speed and device cover. Once done, install the VPN client on your PC or log into your router to configure the VPN profile. Make sure you have the provider's server address, username, and password. Start the VPN client and connect to a nearby server, because lower latency improves VR performance and reduces stutter. You now complete the detailed setup. If using a PC, install the VPN client and enable split tunneling only if you need local devices to bypass the VPN. Otherwise, route all traffic to protect the headset. If using a router, follow the router's VPN setup steps and verify DNS settings to prevent leaks. Once configured, connect your PC or Quest 2 to the VPN-protected network and verify IP/location change, because that confirms traffic is actually passing through the VPN. You finish by connecting your Quest 2 to the VPN-enabled network, either directly over Wi-Fi if the router runs the VPN, or through Oculus Link when the PC handles the VPN. Then open the Oculus Store or the Target app to confirm access and lower latency. If content remains blocked, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. If things go wrong, try switching VPN servers, restart the headset, and flush DNS on the PC. These steps resolve most connection or geolocation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.